Hobbies, Kayjay here from Metro Hobbies, and it feels like it was just yesterday I was standing here all excited about new LEGO releases. Well, I'm back because as the saying goes, if it doesn't rain, it pours. And we've got some amazing restocks, some really sought after restocks, and we've also got some fabulous new sets that I'm really excited to show you. So the first up, I'm going to start you with a mammoth of a set. This is the largest Star Wars set. It's the Millennium Falcon Ultimate Collector Series. It's 7,500 odd pieces in that beast. It can build both the original Millennium Falcon with the circle radius, and you can also build the sequel one with its square, and it comes with a full set of minifigures for both sets, so two versions of Han Solo. Now, without further ado, let's get into the restocks and a couple of the new sets. Alright, so Lamborghini has been come back. The Guardians of the Galaxy ship is back in store. The Infinity Gauntlet is there to snap your fingers and get the set that you desire. We've also got the Porsche 911. We've also got favorite of mine, which is the Darth Vader helmet. This is really gorgeous built. You don't expect them to be able to get it done, but it's really hard to see that on a picture. It's a really good set. We've also got a fan favorite, which is the Razor Crest for all those Mandalorian fans in there. This is the set for the ship. We have the Land Rover Defender back in stock, which is really, really cool. Really nice Technic build, that one. Now, if you're noticing behind me, there's also a fabulous new set, and the question is, do we play or display the question block? And that's the question. So this is more. This is far more than just a smooth surface question block. It's from the Super Mario 64. It is iconic. So it is amazing what the Nintendo and LEGO team have come up with. If I come and have a look here, there's far more into it. There's so many avenues for opening it up, and what's amazing about these hidden little levels, they're actually levels from the Super Mario 64, is that they're mostly done with hinges and simple Technic builds. It's not a lot of Technic in there, it's mostly your LEGO system in there, and yet it smoothly pops the levels in and out like it's magic. This is going to be a marvel for both LEGO fans and Super Mario 64 fans, but for the Super Mario 64 fans, you are going to notice all the goodies that are inside your question mark block. You have a cool mountain, you have Princess Peach. It's really an attention to detail, and if you have the Luigi starter set or the Mario starter set, yes, he's a giant minifigure if you like, not really mini at all, but he will interact. There is a hidden QR code with Peach Princess Mountain, and that allows you to bring it to a next level. So the question really is, are you going to display or play? All right, what else do we have on these shelves? We have got a beautiful bouquet that you can give to your loved one. We have a beautiful bonsai tree to light up your study. And we have, well, if you add some Light My Bricks, it will. We also have the Friends Apartment. The Friends Apartment is going to help you capture all those iconic moments from the Friends series. And it's a must-have if you've already got the Central Perk set. We've also got a beautiful medieval set back in stock. That's the Blacksmith. This is the personal favorite of mine. So many details in here. It really captures that medieval blacksmith feel. It's charming. Charming is the word for that one. And an engineering marvel. It is the Typewriter, the original system Typewriter. This is a gorgeous build. It's also incredibly detailed in terms of how the system goes together, all the Technic parts, and you build every single component for the key there. And as you type those, they actually really feel like you're pressing the right resistance for an actual typewriter. No ink, but it is amazing. It does come with a welcome letter. Now, we also have the Winnie the Pooh. The Winnie the Pooh is a really, really lovely high production set with classic figures. And oh bother, there is so much honey in there, but it is a charming set to own. Now, every year, LEGO puts out a vehicle. They've put out the Ford Mustang, which still holds the highest piece count, but they have also put out a 991 Porsche. And as you can see, it's a Porsche Turbo. So I'll give you bring this out for you so you can have a look here. This is the 1,458 pieces in here. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous set. This is an iconic vehicle. This is not just iconic for lovers of vehicles. This is iconic for everybody. This is something that's highly recognizable, the Porsche with all its smooth lines, and there's a big reason for that. Porsche's motto is very much form follows function. So form and function must coexist. They must bring out the best in both of them. And, oh, hang on a second. Looks like I have one here that I prepared earlier. Yes, so I've definitely built this set. It is an incredible set. I chose to build the turbo. So what I should point out is that this set could actually also be the Targa. So you could be suave, or you could be very sporty in your super performance turbo. I want to point out that you have your engine in the back there, which is really nice. You have not a single sticker in this set. I am pleased to say that every single moment on this is actually just printed, including the number plates. And I will like to point out the number plates, because in this set you can be Japanese number plates, you can have European number plates, or you can have the United States number plates. So it's up to you to choose where your Porsche is going to be taking you on an adventure. And we all want an adventure. Okay, the other things I should point out is, or I'd love to point out, is that there's new pieces designed specifically for this set, because form and function is so iconic with the Porsche. They really needed to capture the curves of this vehicle, and so they've done that here with these two new pieces, as well as this one big large curve piece. Now this piece was new for the Porsche and designed for the Porsche, but it then turned up in the Typewriter set, which is really cool. I'll give you a look. Just there is the green, just where it's holding up there the keys. You've got the same curve that was designed for the Porsche in the Typewriter. So really nice part uses, the way they reuse things. This is definitely my favorite that's come in. It's got proportional steering, which is just incredible. It builds on a Technic frame like all the vehicles do, but this has got to be my favorite. And without further ado, always remember that if you can imagine it, you can build it.